In this video, I will show you how to find, download and view Epstein files from official sources. So let's get started. First of all, open Chrome browser on your device. Now in the search bar, type Epstein library and search for it. After that, tap on the website, which belongs to the Department of Justice.gov. It usually appears at the top of the search results. Once the website opens, you may see an age confirmation page. Here, select yes if you are 18 or above. Now scroll down and tap on Go to DOJ Disclosures. After that, scroll down again and tap on Epstein Files Transparency Act. If you want to view the files, simply tap on View Files. Here you will see different PDF documents related to the case. You can open each PDF one by one to read or view them. If you want to download the PDF, tap on the pencil icon. Then tap on Save Copy. And that's how you can find and view publicly released documents from official government sources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.